Okay, welcome back to Aussie Veteran Cop, where we break down high-risk policing for the average cop. In this video, police officer shoots a man armed with a baseball bat. I haven't seen this one yet, so what we're going to go through is, let's see if the cops acted appropriately, and let's explore some other possibilities and other options they could have used and the risk involved in using those other options. My name is Matt. I was an operational cop for nearly 17 years, specialising in general duties, organised crime and training. I don't know everything you should know about policing, but I can certainly share some knowledge. Okay, if you're liking the content so far, do me a favour, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's crack into the video. Now, just remember, these videos are for educational purposes only, and this is not legal advice.
I also saw you with your pants down, and it looks like you pissed right now.
I had to piss my pants down.
I understand
I've been
that.
walking all day.
You can't do that out in public, right on the public street.
What am I supposed to do?
Huh?
What am I supposed to do?
Okay, so it looks like there was originally just one officer on scene, and this second officer's just arrived, and he's holding a baseball bat at this point in time. I can just see that in the shadows just there. Let's see how they go with it. I'd probably want him to, try and communicate with him, try and get him to put the bat down. There's really no need for him to have a baseball bat. He's not playing baseball, or doesn't look like it. Yeah, so let's see how we go.
Go to a public bathroom.
I was walking. I ain't near a problem.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. I need you to set that bat down. I'm not going to take it away from you, but I need you to set that bat down. Huh?
Why?
Okay, so now she's telling him to put the bat down, which he's not complying with. So I guess at this stage, you want to keep your distance. There's probably no need to move in. You just keep communicating with him from where you are. When you move in, obviously you're taking away time for you to react. So let's see where we go.
Because I'm going to detain you.
Why?
I just
What did I do?
I just told you.
What?
You were urinating
I didn't.
out on Prospect.
How did I urinate?
Someone saw that, and as soon as I pulled up here, I literally saw you with your pants
I've been
down,
walking the whole day. I pissed
and I saw your
pissed
penis
in
out,
my pants.
and you were pissing right here.
I pissed in my pants though.
How would you piss in your pants if you're
So it sounds like it's just a minor offence, like an offensive conduct, public urination, or whatever they want to call it over there. Yeah, things can escalate from very minor offences. So yeah.
Because I had to take it out. I had to piss for a bathroom all day.
doesn't matter. I need to get your information. I need you to have that bat down.
I had to piss.
I understand that.
For what?
I'm not going to take that bat away from you.
But what
But I
do you
need
need?
you to set it down.
What do you need from me?
I want you to stand up, set the bat down, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
I already told you.
I didn't do shit. I'm just sitting here in the shade, bro. I'm standing in the shade.
I already told you.
What did I do?
I'm not
though?
going to tell you.
Now, from here, obviously, you don't want to do this verbal looping, put the bat down, no, put the bat down. You don't really want to do that. I guess at some stage, you're going to have to make a sort of decision, and a really decisive one, where you're just going to move in and just get that bat off him, okay, and just take him down. Now, that depends on how confident you are with your training. If you've got some Gracie skills or you've got some BJJ skills, and you're confident using them, just get in there, get him sorted, deal with that. You hit with the bat, it is the risk of serious injury, absolutely. So, yeah, let's see how we go.
What did I do?
I already told you.
What did I do?
want you to set that bat
What did I do?
I want you to set that
Okay, so she's moved in, and obviously that takes away that time factor, or takes time off her. It looks like he's raised at one point to swing at her, but then he's chosen to run away instead. I guess, apparently they shoot him, so let's see what happens. Okay, interesting. So I guess, when they fired, he was at that point running away, and you can hear the bat drop to the ground. But I think, that is what it changes so fast. You see that he's moving forward, he's moving back, he's moving at him, he's moving away from him, and it changes within less than a second. And that the decision he makes to fire that shot at him He's probably already made that decision. He's probably already finger on trigger, already squeezing it. And then the guy changes direction and goes the other way, drops a bat. And at that stage, when the round actually leaves the barrel, he's running away. And like, very, very hard to make those decisions in those situations. It's why, it's a hard situation.
Shots fired. Police, stop! Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
What did I do?
Okay, judging by the blurred out section there, it looks like they got rounds on, or that round on target. Maybe shot him in the arse by the looks of it. So I guess, now restrain him and start your tactical emergency care, and try and keep him alive if he's starting to go on that. He's starting to go downhill. So let's see how we go.
What am I doing?
Is there anything else?
Fuck, man.
There's maximum 1+1, 1721. You're behind where?
Fucking wrong with that damn fucking bag.
Okay, this stage, so what you really need to do is just do an assessment of him. Start going over, look for his injuries, entry wounds, exit wounds. Where's the blood coming from? Have you got a tourniquet with you? Can you pack the wound? Those different tactical emergency care options. They could probably jump on that a bit quicker. It's hard to see how he's actually injured.
Bone sticking out?
Stop moving, bro.
Moving around, man. All right, get out. Jesus Christ.
Grab a cold one, medic.
Are you able to get yourself up?
Yeah.
Okay. How are we going to be able to get you up? Lift you up like that?
So it looks like there's a fair bit of blood there. It doesn't look like it's a crazy amount. And he's still talking at this stage.
2, 3.
All right, just get him sitting on there.
Stay with me. Come on.
Hey.
Okay, might be starting to go downhill now. So this is why, you really need to get... You got to be tourniquets, your IFAC kits, your wound dressings need to be on hand, ready to go. It's no point, being backlocked in the car. It's no good to you. And the other thing you need to know is where your trauma hospitals are. So you might need to take him directly to a trauma hospital and not take him to a hospital that can't treat him.
Stay with me.
Get out of it.
Stay with me.
I'm trying to kind of stand up. He's got like a broken elbow. Ambulance? Yeah, we got code 1. If you could just guide him this way, because we can't get him.
Okay, she mentioned before something about a bone sticking out. Sounds like he might have broken an elbow as well by the sounds of it, so another compound fracture. So that could be a serious wound as well, not just a gunshot. I guess it is possible that a gunshot could cause that sort of a wound as well. But again, this is why you got to have your IFAC kit on you, not just locked away in the car. It's got to be part of your kit that you're
Gave
wearing.
me all of my fucking right arm.
At least get him on his right side.
Fuck. What's going on here?
Now we see the medicine here. Now we have this information.
Yeah, so I'm not sure what their training is. Obviously, the officer is a bit knocked around mentally. He's not. Doesn't look like he's coping too well with it. And it also doesn't look like the other officers are really, they're not jumping on that that first aid.
Damn back.
You hit you in the back? Where at?
On my fucking arm.
Alright. Work hard. You're good to go.
It might be the officer who's got the broken arm, so I'll cover that at the end.
Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'll have a read of the description and we'll see what happened. Okay, so judging by the description from the video, I'll leave a link to the original video down in the description below, but it looks like the offender's actually managed to hit the officer with the bat. He's fired one round that's gone into the offender's abdomen, and unfortunately he's passed away after that. Now, were the police justified? Yeah, I think they were. Now, the situation was changing very, very rapidly, and it's very hard to make those decisions in those split second, like literally split second decisions where he's changing direction, he's swinging at him, he's running away. It is hard to make that decision. The officer was hit. He suffered a serious injury being a broken arm. That could have hit him in the head and could have potentially killed him. Justified? Yeah, I think justified in firing. Yeah, it is complex with that change of direction that he's moving. But look, that's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. And look, yeah, it'll obviously be investigated. Hopefully the cops will be okay. It's a shame about the offender. But yeah, what do you think? Leave a comment down below. I think the cops acted appropriately there, in my opinion. Yeah, there were other options probably toward the start. But again, it's based on their skill level and their training and how confident they are in using that particular skills. So if you like the content, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.